Sister Love, Chapter 2. Every Sunday morning after that, Marcia brought Howard home for a glass of wine after church. Howard stopped his car in the street outside the apartment building, and Marcia said, "Sound the horn, Howard. Tell Korean we're here. Then she can get the wine ready." So, Howard gave three little toots on his car horn. On sunny days, Corrine always came to the wall at the edge of the roof and looked over to wave at them. Then she went to get the wine. She always wore her bikini or a very short skirt. Marcia never wore short skirts or a bikini. "My legs are too fat for bikinis," she told Howard. "Your legs are very nice," he said shyly. One day in June, Corrine asked Howard, "What time do you finish work, Howard?" "About 6 o'clock," he said. "Could you bring me home after work?" Corrine said. "My shop's very near the hospital. You drive right past it, and you only live 3 streets away from us." "There's a very good bus," said Marcia quickly. "It stops outside our building." "But the bus is so slow," Corrine said. "Please, Howard." Howard looked from one sister to the other. "Oh, well, yes, all right then," he said. "Thank you," Corrine said, and gave him a quick kiss. So, every evening, Howard drove Corrine home. On the first Friday, they were an hour late. When they arrived, Marcia was at the door of the apartment building. "What happened?" she asked. "Why are you so late?" "There was an accident," Corrine said. 3 cars all across the road on that hill by the cinema, you know. We couldn't get past. We couldn't go back. There were so many cars. Nobody could move." Howard said nothing. It was a long, hot summer that year. Marcia went to church every Sunday morning, and Corrine stayed home with their father. When it was sunny, and it often was, Corrine went up to her sunbed on the roof. When Marcia went up to the roof garden, she always sat under the umbrella. But Corrine put on lots of suntan oil and sat in the sun in her bikini. "The hot sun's not good for your body," Marcia said. Karen laughed. "Howard likes my body." "No, he doesn't," Marcia said angrily. "Oh, he does," Corrine said. "He's very shy with women, but he always looks at my body very carefully. He does it all the time. Perhaps he wants me to take off." "Stop it, Corrine," Marcia said. "Don't say those things." Corrine laughed. "What's the matter, big sister? Are you afraid I'm going to take him from you?" Marcia did not answer. That's the end of Chapter 2. If you want to know what happens in Chapter 3, please listen to the next episode. Bye!